Unfortunately, no time for fun and games today because we're doing a rescue. I'm rescuing these two trucks. They're Datsun's 620s. There's one, and she is sunk down in the ground pretty good. So this is a serious issue. There's another one over here, and it is also just sunk deep in the ground. So they're going to be difficult to get plucked out of here. Do I have what it takes to get them out of here? I don't know. Oftentimes, Datsun cars and trucks have been used, abused, neglected, and then left in fields to rot. This heinous crime can no longer go unseen and unnoticed. If you live in the Kentucky or Tennessee area, please contact me, the Kentucky Yankee. All Datsuns deserve a second chance. Help is on the way. The truck beds were entirely full of garbage and junk that I removed. I can show you that both of them were, and I thought it'd be easier to get them loaded without that junk in them. We do have some folks here that are interested in what I am doing, and they have been interested the whole time. But I can tell you this, they have not been helpful whatsoever. This is all the junk that was in the bed of the trucks that I had to clear out, so we'll bring this stuff to the scrapyard and get rid of it. Man, she's got that dirt under there. Got another little visitor here. Better get out of my way, tortoise. This side's jacked up high in the air, pretty high. Now I'm gonna raise, maybe, hopefully, this other side. And then the plan is, if I could get the trailer underneath the back wheels at least, and then we'll winch her on. Please don't fall on me. Please don't fall on me. Please don't fall on Benold. He's unstable. And I don't want anything to happen, like it to fall or whatever, for YouTube videos. Not looking for that. I want this safely on my trailer. Oh man, look at, she's coming up. The higher it gets, I think the better off it gets. But right now, this truck, I can tell you, I could spin it with my finger. Watch, I'll prove it. Watch this. Ooh. Look at, see how it's tipping? Look. Oh, no, baby. All right, this is kind of where I want it, but I don't want it to tip all the way forward. But then again, let's just see what happens. Because I don't have any choice. I don't have nobody here to hold this thing for me. It's higher than I want it right now in the air. Come on, baby. Hit the ground up front. Ooh, it just did. Ha boy, that's nice. Turtle, please. Dude, I've got to risk my life to save you. This is the best I can do with turtle rescue. This truck is so unstable. Come on, turtle. You're gonna have to just come on out of there. I don't want this truck falling on me. Looks like we can get a hold of her now. Oh, hello. Go back in your shell. Get away from me, turtle. I'll set you over here so I can get back to work. I'm really kind of happy with the way things are working out. I am going to try and back the trailer under as far as I can get it. Looking good. I got it this far and then the truck started shaking a little bit. I've got to decide whether I want to keep backing it up. And I think I will. I think I'm going to try and force the trailer under it further. I don't see what harm it would do to do that. Yep, we're going to try it. It's going a lot easier actually than I thought it would. I still haven't had to use a winch, so it's impressive. Let's see, we don't want to do any body damage. Don't have ramps out. Should have. This pipe was laying in the woods. My plan was to get it under the frame on both sides, but the truck slid and fell over. It's on this one side. I'm gonna give it a pull with the winch and see what happens. I'm not hating it. I mean, this ain't bad at all. What's going on over there? I think the pipe's working really good. Wow, look at that. Picking it right up. And I believe that's the pipe doing that. Look at that. Man. Hey now. My goodness, I'm not upset about that at all. Let's get her on up there. Just wonder if I did any damage to exhaust and stuff. I mean, the pipe and all that. I know it's laying on it. Ah, that's a cross member. It's on a cross member right now. That's it. I'm gonna tell you something. I think that's as far as we're going. These trucks are not very far away from my house. And that's it. I'm gonna tow this one home. I wanna get it tied up here so that it doesn't fall off the trailer on the way home. That would be a terrible thing to happen. Trying to get my YouTube shot of the truck getting out the woods. Roll on, baby, roll on. Oh, yeah. Using the lay of the land to my advantage, I put the trailer here on that high spot, so hopefully we can yoink her off of there. Welcome to your new home, and we are so happy to have you here. Well, it worked once, so I'm going to try it again. I'm going to raise the front up as high as I can get it, back the trailer, and see if we can pull it up. I think if this has both of its back wheels, that would be great. Yep, that'll be helpful. So we're in the right spot. Let's get the front end up first. Ah, she's caught. That's all right. That sounded like something just turned loose. I hope. It's going up. That's good. Let's see. Oh, my poor little jack is turned over up on its side. That's part of it. Loaded up. It actually wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Not nearly as bad as I thought it was going to be. The winch did better than I thought it would. Well, I'm thankful to be home and made it home safe. So let me show you what we have here. This is a single cab Datsun. Has a L20B engine in it and a 5-speed, and I think the engine is junk because of course it's missing the carburetor and stuff, so stuff fell in there, but it may be salvageable as a rebuild. It has other good parts. I think the windshield's good on it, and I was needing one at one time. Let's see, missing the seat. You see what it is, not much, but it's a parts buggy. Let's take a quick peek on the inside of this king cab. Look at there. And it stinks in there, man. I mean, this is the first one that's really a stinker. Uh-oh, waspers are after me and everything else. I think it's the seats. Those are actually nice seats at one time, and I may use the frames to recover because I'm just that crazy. It's pretty rough shape. Both of these trucks are rough. This one possibly has a little more value to me because it is an L20B, and that's the engine I was wanting to put in my little red truck, and I did just take the engine out of it. There it is, and it has a carburetor and everything on it, so I'm hopeful that maybe this engine will run. I don't know. And if it won't, maybe it'll just be an easy rebuild. Maybe it's not totally destroyed, and we can use that engine in the other truck. Neither one of these trucks have a title, thankfully, because otherwise I'd probably try to keep both of them and get them on the road, which is crazy. These things are in terrible shape. But we got a few parts, and what I'm going to do now is leave this one on the trailer because I need to get organized around here. It's fall, and I've got like a junkyard going on around here, and that's not very nice. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, come and join the fun. I am the one and only infamous Kentucky Yankee. Without a doubt, at your service.